Hello everyone, you can barely see me because basically right now it's a snowstorm and in Canada the power like literally just went out, but it came back on again. Or no, I think the lights just came back on. I don't think the internet came back on. So that's why I'm filming, because I'm gonna be bored. Okay, internet's back on. Let's not jinx it because it might go out again. Oh my god, look at my window. Look, there's snow on my window. I want to open my window to see what it's like, honestly. Oh. Oh my god, it's actually snow. Oh. Oh shit. Okay, I'm just gonna push that all out. It's so cold. Look at this. Straight Antarctica out there, or Antarctica. Antarctica or Antarctica? I don't know, but like, look. Look at this. I'm so trusting my phone right now because my hands are slippery and I'm literally hanging it out my window. That's crazy. I can't even see my ocean, man. It's pitch black out there and foggy. Well, this is what snowstorm looks like. Actually, this is actually pretty common. Oh my god, there's water dripping on me. This is a pretty common one compared to like all other ones. I remember like one time my whole step was covered. So that's crazy. But yeah, it's snow. It's very cold. Very cold. Cold. Oh, the camera's not really picking it up, or it kind of is. Oh, did you just see snow fall? Like, there's so much snow. You can't really see it on camera, but like you can see it, and it's like so much. Like it's like flying in chunks. Like the heck? Oh my god. Out snow in so long. I'm scared. I'm gonna put it back out because I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. Yeet. Okay. Okay, it's very dark right now. And it's also 3 a.m. and I need to go to sleep, but I'll film this again in the morning. And show you what the outside looks like. Oh my god. Okay. See you in the morning.
When they come back from Dallas, getting a little fire right there. Show that to your friend.
Hey everybody, I'm gonna go get my dog sled.
Reviewing that. We'll step back here to the Dallas and New York for a play, and then the Buccaneers are coming.
I want a dog to pull me around and go to Tim Hortons with it.
Those people that have dogs, they're right mean to the dog.
Mike Evans wobbling with the athletic trainers trying to help him to the side. He might need to car here. This is not good.
Scary. You know, burden up
Greg Jennings, Chris Myers here in Tampa Bay.
other places trying to save them. Dogs are scary. Dogs are scary.
The water. While we wait for the water to boil, this is what I am going to make Kitty craft dinner, but it's basically just mac and cheese. This is the Canadian version. I want to see what it looks like outside, so let's go. Oh. I really kind of just want to jump in it for some reason. Ow! Fuck! There's a person outside watching me right now because they're plowing their driveway. It's next door. And they just saw me. That's why I feel embarrassed now. Bye-bye. Oops.
모든 게 궁금해하실 때
So yeah, I made that. It looks honestly so disgusting. I'm pretty sure they call it mac and cheese in America or something. But the thing is, you're supposed to put milk in it, but I ran out of milk, so I had to just put like the butter and the cheese and stuff. So that's why it's like thicker than usual. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this and then watch K-pop, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I just ate that, so now I have to get in a shower because my hair's greasy and I had it up for the past 3 days. Because I'm not taking it out. It's too like greasy and I need to get a shower. Just got out of the shower, so gotta get clothes on, make my bed a little bit, and then do some other things. Okay, I got dressed. I'm in my BTS merch. And I'm brushing my hair.
놓고 말하길 나도 모르게 힘이 들어가기도 했어 높아버린 sky 커져버린 헛 때론 도망치게 해달라며 기도했어 But 너의 상처는 나의 상처 깨달았어
Chin's here? Okay. I kinda honestly want to pierce my ears again. In like October, I pierced, okay, what was I gonna say? In October, I made a video piercing my own ears, and I pierced like a double hole. So I only actually have 3 ear piercings because this one, when I pierced it like the day after, it kept bleeding. It wasn't like infected, like it didn't have like gross shit in it, but it kept bleeding. So I just like took the earring out, and now it looks like that, so it's like closed over. And this one's still good, this one stayed, so I changed the piercing because it was like 2 months. A couple days ago I changed it, so yeah. I wouldn't recommend piercing them on your own, but I'm just a stupid child. And I honestly, I want to pierce them again. I want to pierce another one. And I have to get one up here, but I can't do that on my own because, like, just no. Just no, I can't do that on my own or else I'll die. I'm also gonna brush my teeth and then go in my bedroom, make my bed, and watch Cobra Kai because there's new seasons, I meant new episodes, and I'm also gonna study Korean after that, so. Fine. Yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I'm chilling with all my teddy bears doing my homework, and yeah, that's it. I'll be back with more videos soon. Yeah, bye bye. 안녕, 사랑해.